Thank you. Can I write this answer? All of you, can I write this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now do this problem, students. Solve x square y dx plus y square dy is equal to 0. Tell me, students, how to solve this problem. Students, please tell me how to solve this problem. Okay, I can solve this problem. So first of all, write the given differential equation. Then try to express the differential equation in terms of dy by dx. For this, take this term into right hand side minus y square dy. So clearly, this term completely come into the variable separable. So if you see this y cancelled by 1 times, then what it gives, x square dx is equal to minus y dy. So clearly, how this equation becomes like terms of x left side, like terms of y for right hand side. Whenever you got these terms separately in either one of the side, Then immediately apply integration on both sides. Integration on both sides. Then this term can be written as integration of x square dx is equal to integration of minus y dy. Tell me students, integration of x square dx how much? That is x cube by 3 plus c. Integration of y dy is minus y square by 2. Therefore, minus plus y square is equal to minus 2 by, sorry, minus 2 by 3 x cube minus 2c. So this is our required answer. This is the solution to the given differential equation. Dear students, do you understand how to solve this question?
Yes, sir.
Can I give one problem to you?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Thank you. Can I erase this question now? All of you? Can I erase this question now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now do this problem in your side. Solve square root of 1 minus x square dy plus square root of 1 minus d square by 1 minus y square into dx is equal to 0. Do this problem now, students, and tell me the answer. And do this problem, tell me the answer. Otherwise, I will show the answer. So if you want to solve this problem, you should remember all the formulas for integration. Otherwise, it is not possible to get the answer. Tell me the solution, students. Please tell me. All of you try to solve the solution.
Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus c.
Yes. So sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse y plus c. That is the answer. Correct. Thank you. So I will show the answer. Given square root of 1 minus x square dy plus square root of 1 minus y square
సార్ సార్ మ్యూట్లో ఉన్నారు సార్.
Okay, thank you. So this equation can be written as, first of all, I would like to translate this term into right hand side. So plus term becomes minus. So clearly we have to separate the terms x and y separately. If you take in this y term into left side and this x term into right side, then this equation becomes 1 by square root of 1 minus y square dy is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. So clearly there are separate terms of x, separate terms of y. Whenever you got, immediately you have to apply integration. Apply integration on both sides. We will get integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus y square dy is equal to minus int integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. In our formula, integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus y square is sin inverse y is equal to, this is minus sin inverse x plus c. This is our required answer. So today class is completed. Thank you, students. Do you have any doubts? Ask me. Otherwise, please left the class.